I'm actually one of the exhibitors, so I teach classes. I have an academy in LA, and I have a big company called SR Hair Society. So we tend to teach classes and share our techniques with hairdressers. So I've done it here before many times. Primarily just that hairdressers need to kind of be together. So that's our best time, when we're all together, because we're creative people and we bounce off of each other. So the Orlando show is very, very good for that, because you can also kind of socialize around it as well, see people you haven't seen for years, meet new contacts. So it's great. There's nothing like in person. And it's the same thing for my business, because we do classes online all the time, but nothing beats doing it in person. And that's why these in-person shows are really important. Premier Orlando has a reputation of good on sales. You know, I have a booth here as well, but also, I don't know, people just kind of really come from everywhere. New York, obviously Florida. It's a real kind of attraction that brings a lot of East Coast people together in one show.